And this temperature. Wow, it's very nice here, but it's super empty. Thank you. "32nd floor." Everything's like very nice here.
To my elevator to the penthouse. Just
32
kidding.
floor.
I think we need to tap this.
Not quite the penthouse. There's still 4 floors higher than us,
Right there, there's like pool and the club,
which we cannot access.
closed at the moment, but I'm happy that we have a new environment to be in, and I'm able to see our room.
I'm just excited to drop off our luggage.
Yeah, carrying a lot of luggage is really tiring, but I can't pack light. Let's go. Oh, fancy. What is the room number?
It's 3210.
Okay. 3210 will be right here. Please follow me. Here it is. This is our room. Welcome to our room. Right, when you walk in, there's a whole area for closet space. And then on the right hand side, there is a beautiful washroom. Go check it out. So in here, there's a walk-in shower on the right. And a huge sink right behind you. And then a shower, a tub. And here is the huge room with, I believe, a king-size bed and a sitting area, and they gave us apples, work area for you to work.
I love this touch. Usually, like studio hotel rooms, they don't really have like a separate desk. You know, you will have to like get tucked in the corner or something. But
Yeah.
having this separate desk is really nice.
Yeah. And then this beautiful view of Bangkok. Look at how beautiful this view is. So this room was 60 something USD a night. And I think it's pretty worth it.
Typically, we would book with Marriott, but the reason we ended up booking with IHG is because we actually found 2 offers that's running at the same time, where we could technically stay 2 nights at IHG properties to get 3 nights for free. So, our strategy is to stay here, take advantage of the cheap rates right now, and then use those free nights in more expensive destinations like Koh Samui or Phuket.
Yeah.
At those waterfront villas and stuff like that. So that's why we're here.
Yeah, so now we're going to go and do our laundry because they didn't bring us to our laundry. And then we'll be running some errands. I just want to show you the closet as well because there's some stuff here that we missed. Robes, slippers, shoe shine. And then we move over here. Here's the safe, flashlight, iron and ironing board. And here's Eric working. Now we're going into 7-Eleven to get Eric's SIM card.
SIM cards probably at the front desk, right?
Maybe, I think it's at the cashier.
Yeah.
So many things here, masks, snacks, cup noodles. Beers and So we just came back from getting a SIM card for Eric, and it was 30 days unlimited internet for 150 baht.
Yeah, which is about $6.
Yeah.
Pretty crazy.
Yeah, we're not sure how good it is throughout Thailand, but hopefully it works well.
So Rachel and I, we just spent like probably overall like an hour and a half looking for food, hoping to find something to eat, but the issue is none of these places allow dining, and because they're not allowing dining, a lot of places inside the malls are just completely closed. So we went to like 3 different malls, and then yeah, with no luck. So
We're just gonna do room service. So
yeah, and then once we have more energy, we'll do a little more exploring after this. But right now, I think Rachel's out of charge.
I need to recharge.
For sure. First time taking the Sky Train.
Yeah, so we're going back to our hotel.
Yep.
And we got 2 tickets for 50 baht for 2 tickets for like how many stations? Like 2 stations?
3 stations.
3 stations. And it's actually cheaper to take a taxi, but this is a good experience anyway.
Yeah, it'd be cool.
So we got room service. We got pad thai for lunch. The reason why we got it because right now a lot of restaurants are closed and we literally walked 2 hours and we couldn't find anything that we liked. So we came back because we have a hotel room credit. So we decided to get pad thai with it.
Looks really good. Because we booked directly with the hotel, they gave us a very nice room upgrade to this 32nd floor, which is one of the highest floors with a nice view. We got this pretty much complimentary. We have to pay like maybe a couple dollars out of pocket to get this, and we get complimentary breakfast tomorrow, which we're gonna order after this. So booking through some travel agencies might be like $1 or $2 cheaper, but overall, especially during COVID, the experience you get is a lot nicer.
Forgive me, I don't really know how to eat pad thai when
It's fancy.
a fancy pad thai.
Okay, let's get a close up. Go ahead. You want to cut it open?
So this is the shrimp pad thai with some eggs.
Smells good.
Oh my goodness, smells so good. Just gonna have a bite. Try it out. I'm so hungry. So good. The noodles are so chewy and sweet. I need a little bit of lime to complete this.
Yeah. So they gave us some veggies and some limes on the side, which is quite nice.
I usually don't get room service because it's super expensive since everything is closed. I'm so thankful that we have this hotel credit that we can use.
Yum.
Delicious.
Alright. Let's try a bit of the prawn as well.
Prawn?
Yeah.
Sure. Ooh, they cut off the tail for you.
Oh, awesome.
And divined.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Divined? Isn't it divined?
Really good. So this
Divine shrimps.
it's really good.
That's good. So, just to give you guys an idea, without any room credit, it'll be 700 baht, which comes out to $26 Canadian. So it's quite expensive, but we did get like a 20 USD room credit, which pretty much pays for most of it. So it's quite good. I'm glad she got to enjoy this. All right, breakfast
Alright.
review time. Let me get us some tea. And we have Earl Grey right here. The big containers. Makes it look a lot more luxurious. Pretty cool.
Let me try some.
Very good, yeah.
Delicious.
So we ordered one healthy set and one Asian set. For the healthy set, it looks like it came with a bunch of different salads and veggies. Right? You have the egg white omelet, which has tomatoes, mushrooms, and I think green bell pepper in it. It also came with fruit, which comes with every set, and a chicken sandwich with cheese. But the one that looks really good is the Asian set that Rachel got. It has pad thai in it, or pasiu I think, with a fried egg. Has the chicken wonton soup, and obviously the other pastry and smoothie stuff that it came with. So honestly, it looks incredible. We're super excited to try it.
Alright, so let's try our food.
What do you want to start with?
The fried noodles, because it looks so delicious.
I'm gonna try some of this stuff just to see what it is. So this looks like quinoa salad with watermelon.
How does that taste?
Too healthy.
Too healthy?
Way too healthy.
My fried noodles doesn't look so healthy. It looks delicious.
Oh, there's mango in here. This is like I haven't had Thai mango before. It's amazing. Good. So let's try this omelet a little bit.
Your egg white omelet, super healthy again. I should try my wonton soup next. This is so amazing. This was all free. It came with the room.
Yep. How is it? And this
So good for my stomach. So let's have a shot of looking like kiwi juice. I'm not sure.
I'm pretty sure, if I guess it's correct, it's probably some kind of ginger or some kind of ginseng, some kind of healthy stuff in
Probably
here.
ginger. They usually do ginger shots. I smell apple. Cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers to free breakfast.
It's not bad for something so healthy.
It was delicious though. I was kind of scared for it.
You want to try the smoothie?
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It smells like strawberry banana.
Strawberry banana yogurt smoothie. My favorite.
Delicious.
So let's start eating.
Yeah. One last time in the room. Saying bye now. Just literally going right across the street to Holiday Inn.
Yep, let's go.
Alright, all packed up. Our laundry bag, luggage, bag. Good to go.